Yeah, g'day. This is my personal Honda EX350 inverter generator. Honda's first inverter generator. I believe it was made in 1987. They also made an EX500. It's very light, only weighs 8 kilos. When they first made these, I believe they were running them at 50 to 1. But the problem was it used to gunk up the spark plug and cause carbon build-up in the exhaust manifold. And occasionally that carbon would break off and go into the piston. And that was the end of it. So they later revised it to 100 to 1 fuel mixture. As you can see, the output two-stroke, beautiful little machines they were for their time. DC 12 volt, 6 amp, charged battery continuously at 6 amp. So if you do use it for that, just monitor your battery because it'll continue to charge it. Overload alarm, output indicator, circuit breaker, venting for your fuel tank, there's your output selector. At the top it's 150 watts. When you go down it's 300 watts. Your engine switch, to reset it was like the old ones, you had to turn it on and off if you overloaded it. Air filter, spark plug, full start, exhaust. Does run beautiful, these little things. Take it up to choke. As you can hear, it's very quiet. Just purls along. This is your output selector. If I move that down, revs it up. Take it back down, 150 watts. But I mean, for what they were in their time, throw them in anywhere basically. Obviously trying to get parts for these days is getting harder. I have managed to get a few spare parts sitting there for it. It's not the sort of thing I use much these days. I have used it occasionally camping just to run a few lights or my car fridge, but usually don't have much use for a little one anymore. But I mean, just look at how compact that is. And the fact this was Honda's first inverter generator, two-stroke. They only made the two of them, EX500, EX350, and then they went to the EU series. I believe it was a 35cc two-stroke engine they used on it. Like I said, it runs on the smell of an oily rag and just purrs along. Providing you use it within its limits, it doesn't work. It just sits there humming along. And you don't have to have it far away from your campsite, it's quiet. I've had this for many years now. You don't see them around much anymore, especially in this condition. I mean, there's hardly a mark on it. I've been trying to find the EX500 240 volt model to add to the collection, but haven't had much luck so far. Found a few overseas, but they're all 120 volt, and then by the time I buy the unit and freight to Australia, ends up very costly exercise to add a generator to my collection. Alright, that's that for today. Just thought I'd throw that out there and do a quick review on it. Thanks for your time and have a good one.